Hello, trading is closed on January 6, 2015. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. My last call was that unless we had a gap under Monday's lows, that higher prices should print and probably a decent rally. Well, we gapped up and we did rally 10 points, but I still consider the call a miss because I did not predict this big drop that we had afterwards. I also said that after 1 hour of trading, I thought that the picture would be clearer, and that was just plain wrong. For tomorrow, the only thing mejt has to say is that there's a target of 1998.88. It isn't too far under where we closed. I do think that unless we gap up sharply, we'll probably undercut today's low too. And in just a minute, we'll discuss the implications of that. This is a daily pattern which usually closes near the highs, when instead it tails off towards the close. That's not a good sign. Usually it leads to further weakness. All this could be invalidated if we gap up sharply and overtake today's high. To me, that's a very tall order. It's not too good that this high is a Fibonacci target of a prior pattern. It's not too good that we had a gap up, hit a new brief recovery high, couldn't even recover these lows, couldn't even get to these lows, and couldn't even close over the intervening highs. On the 30-minute chart, we had a potential to mark buy signal. The pattern is recycled, which means the count starts over again and there's no signal. On the 78-minute chart, we have a combo buy signal, but if we keep dropping under this price, 1982, the pattern recycles and there is no signal. We are one bar away from a combo buy on the 130-minute chart too, but unless we have a recovery someplace along the way, the pattern recycles and there's no signal. So DeMark's indicators that could have offered some hope for the bulls aren't going to offer any hope if we keep dropping. We are close to this middle line in the Andrews pitchfork. We are quite close to it and trading just under today's low, which I think we will, unless we gap up, gives some hope of support. If that holds, fine. But I think the odds are against it holding. You don't know for certain till it happens, but we have a target of 1972.56. It looks like we're going there in a straight line. Unless something happens, we'll have an Eve and Adam top, and undercutting that low completes a big top. So the call for tomorrow is that unless we gap up sharply, we should hit at least 1998.88, probably undercut today's low, and at that point reach a very critical level. And if we don't hold just under today's low, we could drop another 30 handles from here, and that could just be the start of what awaits us. And that is today's call.